How to save passcode lock in Telegram app on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy method to save passcode lock in Telegram app on Android. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, we'll learn how to do it. Without much delay, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open Telegram application on your device. Make sure you have logged in or signed in to your Telegram account. Then select the three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen to access the menu bar. There you will find settings option. Simply tap on it to access the settings page. And on the settings section, you have to select privacy and security. You will see different options. Just tap on passcode lock option and then select enable passcode button. Once you have done that, you have to enter the 4 digits that you will use to unlock your Telegram app. So let's enter it. Once you have done that, re-enter your password again. Once you have done that, here are different options. You can either change passcode or unlock with fingerprint if you wish to. If you don't wish to unlock with fingerprint, you can toggle off the button. You can also auto lock. The timer you can set for the auto lock in 5 minutes or in 1 minute, or you can disable auto lock as well. So let's select in 1 minute, and after you exit from the Telegram app, and then after 1 minute there will be the lock. So you have to unlock the Telegram app with the passcode. So that's how we do it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.